Hey guys, this is Frank. In this video, I will show you another very powerful AI tool, which is Hyper 3D Routing. This one could convert the static image to the 3D model file just in 1 minute. It's very quick, it's very useful. I have this D1 release last week. I demonstrated this one with a lot of friends. They love this one, but I cannot send this one to them because this one is very expensive. This one could convert the image to the 3D model very quickly just by an image. Like I mentioned, the routing comes with 5 modes. So here is 5 modes. Let me show you the difference between these 5 modes. The first one is extreme low, which means it could generate the model very fast, as little as 4 seconds. So this one is best for the quickly generation sample assert. It could generate something like this, some toys for the baby or something like this. So this is extremely low, but it's pretty fast. So another one is low. This one is better than extremely low. It could get more detail. It could generate some toys for the toddlers, something like this. So it's suitable for clean assert and small hard surface props. So the next one is the middle one. The middle one could ideally for the moderate complex models that need a balanced surface and the details. So this could generate some hobby, something like that. This one could generate the production. So recommend for the high quality assert with a richer structural representation and the smooth surface. So I already tested this one, looks very good. This could need about 40 seconds. The topest one is the extremely high. So this one is slower, but it could generate a much better quality product. So this one is best for the assert that require high frequency detail reproduction. So I never tried this one, so now let's try this one. But this one you need to create a subscription. So let me show you how this get work. So let's pick up this one, see how much details we could get. Let's pick up this one and select a file, the same file. Okay, let's generate. Make sure we have extreme high. Okay, use extreme high. It's probably need 1 minute and 20 seconds. Okay, now let's confirm. Also pick up 2 million polygons. Routing can generate models with more than 10 million polygons, capturing extremely fine surface details. Let's confirm. Okay, now it's rainbow. So you can see we have a lot of the geometry details. This hole, this school hole. Wow, it's very detailed. Okay, now for the material, let's also pick up the extremely high 12K. So let's pick up PBR, let's pick up all the way to the 10. Let's generate the material. Okay, now you can see how much detail we have. Even we have some number over here. Wow. Oh, can't believe that. School hole. There's some label over here. There's some number. USB port. Even we have the motor model. Wow. The model number. Wow, you can see how much detail we have. Yeah, okay, let's download this one and print this one. Should be a very interesting one. Okay, now let's package that and download. Okay, let's confirm. Then we could download the file. Now I could download the file. I will download the STL file, and then we could open with some other tool to slice. Now let's slice this file and print this object. So let's I use the Unity Maker to do this. Okay, here we go. Because I don't want to print a very large one. So let's raise 70%. You cannot scale down to very small size. If you scale down to very small size, you will see this one is the first one I built. So it's too small. The leg is too small, so it cannot hold this thing. Now let's take a look. Let's preview. Okay. Yeah, this looks good. It's need to take about 8 hours. You could copy this one to your 3D printer and print this one. Here is the final result, this one. So this looks so very good. You can see very detailed. Yeah, I think this one is very helpful, especially if you have some product but you don't have the 3D model file. You need to print some gift to your subscriber, to your audience, which is very helpful. I think that's pretty much all for this video. If you are guys interested with the Hyper 3D routing, I just put the link to the video's description. You guys could take a look. Thank you for your time. See you next time. Bye.